Hi guys! Today my nan went to the fidget shop and she got me a couple of fidgets. And I'm going to be showing you guys. Okay, so if you guys know or you don't know, I accidentally broke my Trimple Dimple and my nan found out and so she got me a new one and it looks like this. They may not be the exact same colors or whatever, but that's fine and I really like it. Now let's just cut it open. Okay, so this is what it looks like, and now we're gonna feel it. Oh my god, it feels completely fine. I would say they feel exactly the same almost. Yep, this was definitely a good fidget, and I would definitely recommend it and get it. Okay, next, my nan got me a Tangle. She got me a black and a white one. I tried opening this later, earlier, but I couldn't, so I'm gonna open it now. Okay, so let's see it. Wow, it's really nice. It's black and white, and it actually feels super duper good. And I'm loving all of these fidgets so far. And the thing is, if you do break it, you can put it back together, and it's really cool. Okay, on to the next fidget, and the next fidget is a wacky track. I already have one, but this one I think it's gonna be a lot harder. But I don't have a green and blue one yet, so this is gonna be good. Oh, that is so good actually. Let's just put it back together. Okay, so when I opened the packet, it wasn't together, so let's just put it back together. Okay guys, I put it back together, and it is a bit hard, and my other one is really, really soft, but that is completely fine. I still really like it, and it's so pretty, to be honest. And well, these are all the fidgets I got. My nan got me a Trimple Dimple, she got me a Tangle, and she also got me a Wacky Track. And I love them all so much, and I also love my nan. So, bye guys.